Namaste, dear friends. I'm your host Deepak and welcome back to a brand new episode today. I'm making a truly spectacular recipe. What is it, you ask? It's a quick and easy, authentic, traditional South Indian sambar that you can effortlessly make right at your home. I had so many requests from my friends and subscribers also for an easy sambar recipe, perfect for your satisfying lunch. So, using these lentils and variety of vegetables, I am bringing you an incredible sambar recipe that is perfect to pair with rice for your afternoon lunch. Without any further delay, let's see how to make this beautiful and awesome vegetable sambar recipe. Let's do it. Look friends, first I have taken about 1 cup of Toor dal. Here I will wash it well and then cook in a pressure cooker for about 3 whistles, and here you get a fine paste like this. Now let's keep it aside. Let's put a water to boil in a vessel. The water must be boiling like this. In this boiling water I am adding about 3 tomatoes cut into large pieces like this, and add some onions, completely optional. If you don't want onions, you can skip. Next, what I'm adding: brinjal, eggplant slices, potato pieces. You can add any vegetables you have in the same way, and quantity it's up to you. And I'll add a little bit of turmeric powder and a just spoon of oil. Mix it all once. Mix nice and good. Now let's close the lid and allow this to boil for about 3 minutes. As you can see, after about 3 minutes or 4, the vegetables are cooked well. They are roughly 70 to 80% cooked. This means it is perfect now. At this stage, what we do is we'll add a cooked dal we had to set aside. Along with, we'll add some tamarind juice. Also, we'll add the salt as much as needed. If you have a rock salt, it's good, add it, use that, it's tasty and very good. Now I will mix this clearly once, and so everything blends together. Let's close the lid and allow this to cook. Now here, the sambar powder I'm using is a homemade. The recipe link provided in the description and iCard also. I have added about 3 tablespoons of coconut paste, raw coconut here. To this I'm going to add nearly a 2.5 tablespoons of sambar powder to this, and make a nice paste of it, just like a masala. After mixing this well, we'll add this sambar powder mixture into the boiling sambar mixture. If you don't want to add coconut, you can add just the sambar powder directly. Adding the coconut enhances the flavor and gives a good texture to the sambar. Now let all this boil for a while. The raw smell of the masala needs to disappear. Cooking it for a little while is enough. This will also take about 3 minutes. As you can see, after about 3 minutes, the sambar is cooked perfectly. The dal and all the vegetables are perfectly done. Now let's see how to make the tampering. Put a tampering pan on a heat and add 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee. Don't add too much of oil for this. When the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds. When it splutters, listen to it. The popping sound after adding some cumin seeds, also from few curry leaves. Next, we'll add some little bit of coriander leaves into this oil. This gives a great aroma and flavor, and also some a quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida, that's hing. If you don't use the hing, use garlic if you wish. Now let's pour this tampering into the sambar. Ahaha, what a great marvelous smell. See how easy it is to make this sambar. The moment this tampering is added to, the whole house started smelling wonderful, and our stomach will start growling. The sambar is now ready. The hot rice, little bit of ghee, this sambar with a couple of papad on the side. Ahaha. What more do you need for a perfect lunch? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you had, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon, set the notifications to all. If you all got updates, please also share this with your family and friends. We'll be back with another such yummy recipe. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.